Connecting a Dell docking station to your MacBook is actually very simple as long as you're using a modern USB-C or Thunderbolt connection. Most newer Dell docks are designed to work with MacBooks running macOS Mojave or later, so compatibility is usually not an issue. Start by plugging the docking station into power first, then connect it to your MacBook using the Thunderbolt or USB-C cable that came with the dock. Thunderbolt connections give the best performance because they handle charging, video output, data transfer, and accessories through a single cable, while standard USB-C still works but may offer slower speeds or require separate charging depending on your MacBook model. Once connected, open your Mac's display settings to arrange external monitors and confirm they are detected properly. After that, plug in your peripherals, like keyboard, mouse, Ethernet cable, or external drives, and test each one to make sure everything works correctly. If displays or accessories are not recognized, updating macOS or reconnecting the dock usually fixes the issue. For the best experience, higher-end docks like Thunderbolt models work great with MacBook Pro setups needing multiple displays, while USB-C docks are a good budget option for MacBook Air users.